G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Kathy. I'm so glad you could join me for another video. In this video today, I'm going to show you my 2021 planner lineup. So these are the planners that I'll be using and not using for the year 2021. I hope you're all staying safe and well, and let's get into the video. This very necessary stack of planners right here are what I will and won't be using for 2021. Unlike other years, in 2021 I'll be using the same planner inserts across all planners. Let's start off with my most used down to my least used planners. As a work agenda in 2021, I'll continue to use my Louis Vuitton desk agenda with the disc bound setup inside. If you would like to see more of this desk agenda, I will leave a link in the comments section below. I've dedicated a whole video to it. Next in the lineup is my PM agenda. I will continue to use this one in 2021. It's the perfect size for all of my appointments and to-do lists, habit tracking, and daily gratitude lists. The PM agenda is quickly becoming one of my favorites. I love how easily it fits in my handbags. With the minimalist of decor and any size handwriting, you can make these pages look as though you spent loads of time in here. How stinking cute are these cloth and paper week per view planner pages? They look miniaturized in the PM. Even though the PM agenda is really portable and I can take her anywhere, she mostly stays by my side like a friend. The next agenda in the 2021 planner lineup is my Louis Vuitton agenda. This year I'll be using this as a seasonal planner, writing out dreams, personal plans, goals, self-care, and decorating it for good mood vibes. I have fun changing up the decor between agenda inserts, dividers, and dashboards. I like to keep track of my personal finances and savings goals. If you're looking for a planner with a little more room to write in, also fits in your handbags, and is very portable, you may like to consider the or personal size agenda. Even when you have no plans or nothing to write, you can make the pages look as though you had loads of time to thoughtfully plan. Next, for the 2021 planner lineup is the agenda that I will be taking a break from. Last year, the Louis Vuitton GM agenda was perfect for the office. I carried it back and forth every day, and it was the perfect size to get through a busy schedule. Nowadays, because of COVID, my role has changed and I have less scheduling to do. I realise as much as I love the GM agenda for its size for a busy workday, I have no productive use for it in the office, so I've decided to leave it at home. The GM agenda is currently on standby, all set up, ready to go, at home, on the shelf, should I decide to study or embark on any major personal projects. I will go back to the GM agenda. I feel really lucky to have planner options. For 2021, instead of the GM agenda, I will be using a notebook for thought organization, mapping out major decisions like deciding on what handbags to save for next, what planners to use in 2021, for example, layouts in my planners, and writing out my pros and cons lists, aka Rory Gilmore style. And lastly, and one of the biggest surprises for planners I'll be using in 2021 is the cloth and paper spiral bound agenda. This spiral bound agenda arrived in one of the planner boxes that I subscribed to from Cloth and Paper. I think it was either October, November or December. The page layouts are consistent with all the other planners I'll be using. That's a week per view, lined and dated. In all my planning experience, I've learnt that structured pages are what I really like. Depending on the level of busyness, dated inserts or undated can both work well. An all-in-one spiral-bound agenda like this is perfect for around the home. My husband and I are both busy professionals, and whilst a digital calendar and shared shopping list works for on the go, there is no replacement for pen and paper. It's a beautiful planner, and who wouldn't want to use it? So that's it. That's my planner lineup for the year 2021. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and have a tops day.